Welcome to our channel. Today we how to create a competitive analysis with a SEMrush, full guide step by step clearly. To create a competitive analysis with SEMrush, start by logging into your SEMrush account. Once logged in, navigate to the Domain Overview section. Enter your competitor's domain in the search bar and click on the magnifying glass to analyze. Review the overview report that appears, which includes key metrics like organic traffic, paid traffic, and backlinks. Next, scroll down to examine the organic search section. Here, you can see the keywords that your competitor ranks for and their respective positions. Take note of the keywords with high search volume and low competition, as these can be valuable for your strategy. Then, move to the Traffic Sources report to understand where your competitor's traffic comes from. Analyze the percentage of traffic from organic search, paid advertising, social media, and referrals. Next, head to the Backlink Analytics section. Enter your competitor's domain again to review the backlinks they have acquired. Examine the referring domains and focus on high authority sites linking to your competitors. Now, navigate to the Keyword Gap tool. Input your domain and your competitor's domain to compare keyword rankings side by side. Identify keywords where your competitor ranks and you do not, as these present opportunities for growth. Next, use the Traffic Analytics tool to compare your traffic with that of your competitor. Review user engagement metrics like bounce rate, pages per visit, and average session duration. After analyzing these metrics, go back to the Domain Overview section. Click on the Competitors tab to discover other companies competing for the same keywords. Compile this information to create a comprehensive list of your top competitors. Now, use the Market Explorer tool to understand the larger market landscape. Search for your niche and analyze the competitive density and market trends. Finally, summarize your findings into a report. Highlight key insights such as strengths, weaknesses, and opportunities based on your analysis. This report can serve as a foundation for developing your competitive strategy. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.